Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you my warm-up for arms, wrists and fingers. The first is the rotation of the wrist. Repeat 10 times. Second, you can try tiger pose. Third, tension, relaxation, tension, relaxation. First version, second version. Tension, relaxation, tension, relaxation. Repeat other step 8 or 10 times. Fourth, the crab goes small steps. So good if you right-hander or left-hander. Better repeat 2 or 3 times for each finger. Right hand. Next, with the fingers of pianist. It's so easy. Up and down, up and down, tension and relaxation too. So hard. Repeat 3 or 5 times. Another level. Oh, you can try anything combination and in the end, chewing gum it at your fingertips, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. That is all. I thank you so much. Good luck and sorry for my English.